Language 5. Gerunds. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify gerunds. Distinguish gerunds as subject, direct object, indirect object, appositive, object of the preposition, and subject complement. And use gerunds in a sentence correctly. Fishing is a favorite pastime of our family. Alicia loves waking up early in the morning. Mark's favorite hobby, biking, is a good form of exercise. Do you remember singing with Alexa yesterday? Maria is fond of collecting dolls. She won best in drawing. The words fishing, waking up, biking, singing, collecting, and drawing seem like verbs, but they are actually used as nouns. They are gerunds. What are gerunds? Gerunds are nouns ending in ing. They function as subject, direct object, indirect object, appositive, object of the preposition, and subject complement. Let's study them one by one. Gerund as a subject. Example: walking is a good form of exercise. The gerund, walking, is the one being talked about in the sentence. It is the subject. Gerund as a direct object. A direct object is the receiver of the action in a sentence. Example: Zia loves eating. The gerund, eating, is the receiver of the verb loves. It is the direct object. Gerund as an indirect object. An indirect object is the receiver of the direct object. Example: Marco gives dancing much attention. The gerund, dancing, answers the question, what is given much attention? Gerund as an appositive. Recall that an appositive is used to explain, define, or add to the meaning of the word or words that it follows. Example: Mara's pastime, baking, is profitable. Baking defines Mara's pastime. It functions as an appositive. Gerund as an object of the preposition. An object of the preposition comes after a preposition. Example: study diligently before taking the test. The gerund, taking, comes after the preposition before. It is the object of the preposition. Gerund as a subject complement. A subject complement is a word or phrase that follows a linking verb and identifies or describes the subject. Example: what fascinates me is painting. The gerund, painting, is a complement of the subject what fascinates me. Practice exercise. Underline the gerund in each sentence. Then write S on the blank if the gerund is used as a subject. DO if direct object. IO if indirect object. OP if object of the preposition. A if appositive, and SC if subject complement. 1. Gerry is fond of teasing children. The answer is OP. 2. Smoking is dangerous to your health. The answer is S. 3. Trisha enjoys eating pizza. The answer is DO. 4. Roel's favorite sport, swimming, is enjoyable. The answer is A. 5. Mara gave baking her best effort. The answer is IO. 6. What I enjoy the most is camping. The answer is SC. Always remember, gerunds are verbals that function as nouns, and they end in ing.